One of the first accessories that many woodworkers purchase for the table saw is a tapering jig. It's used to safely make long tapering cuts at the table saw for things like table legs or angled panel cuts. The Infinity tapering jig is made from extruded aluminum for stiffness and lightness in use. It also includes a gauge to repeatedly set the proper angle. You can choose either 0 to 15 degrees on one side of the scale, or select a pitch angle with 0 to 3 inches of angle per linear foot settable in quarter-inch increments. It features a tall handle for safe operation, and a movable stop block to help steady your workpiece through the cut. Once you determine your proper angle, set the arch locking bar into place. Hold the jig against your fence, place the workpiece against the stop block, and guide it through your saw blade. We set our jig to a 10-degree angle and made the cuts. It's just that easy, and the results are repeatable. The Infinity Tools Table Saw Taper Jig is a must-have for any woodworker's shop.